This is my mom's temporary daily driver. It's a 2007 Ford Escape Hybrid and it has a dead 12-volt battery. And this video was originally going to be about how to find a parasitic drain in a car, but after sticking a newly charged 12-volt battery in the car and noticing that the map light was on, this video is now going to be about how to install LED map lights into a car so that you don't get a call at 6 AM in the morning saying that you need a ride to work. Now, just like a lot of dome lights in most cars, there's going to be a dent or impression that looks like it's going to be used to pry the lens off, and it's going to be used to pry the lens off. In this particular case, there are 4 separate indents, and you just stick a pry tool in there and pop the lens off. It's very simple. The bulb that's being used is a 578. I got these bulbs off Amazon from a company called Yorkim, and so far they seem to be pretty good quality. I've used them in almost every other car in this house and other houses, and the bulbs don't flicker and get messed up after 6 months and become really annoying. They're not sponsoring me or anything to say this, but if anyone wants to give me some free bulbs, that would be pretty awesome. Just putting that out there. I'll also leave the links in the description below if you want to try them out. Now, one thing that I noticed is that the receptacle for this bulb has a little bit larger diameter than the actual bulb. The simple solution to that is to squeeze the 2 metal prongs that are the receptacle a little bit tighter, and then you have a snug fit around the bulb. So once the lens was cleaned up and stuck back on there, I noticed that the lights on the stereo buttons had been on the whole time, which means that this car does have a parasitic drain, and that the next video is going to be about me fixing the stereo, like taking it apart and actually finding out what circuit's bad, causing it to have this parasitic drain or short circuit in the radio itself. So if you like this very short video, hit like. If you want to see some more videos that won't be this short, hit subscribe, and just do whatever you do on the internet. Have a good one, guys.